me today. Just to set the context, so AI, according to one of the CEOs of NVIDIA, which is who develops GPUs, which is the basic building block for AI, he said in one of his interviews that AI is not going to replace lawyers or doctors or other professionals, but AI is going to do a certain % of your job really a lot better than you will, and a lot faster than you will. So maybe 20% of your job, maybe 30% of your job, based on what you're working, in which industry you're working, AI will do a certain % of your job much faster, quicker, more efficiently than you. In the context of risk mitigation and compliance, so I was hearing a lot of the esteemed panelists here talk about, early detection, signs of financial distress, financial ratios, when reporting happens, so AI, predictive AI, generative AI can actually detect those signs, can detect, through predictive analysis, can detect these signs very early on. Not only can detect those signs, they can also point out missing information or point out lack of compliance when reporting, when these companies are reporting their data back to the regulators or PSX or other authorities. They can predict that, and through vast amounts of data, through vast amounts, which might not be humanly possible for someone to go through all of that, to go through those documents in that much detail. So pick out those missing things, scrutinize contracts, pick out, areas where there's risk compliance issues or risk issues, or so scan through massive amounts of legal documents that would not be possible for a human being to do, and then find precedents, find patterns, find, when a company is going through a certain set of processes or set of reporting, it can find even before, the signs that you have put in your barometer as this is what is financial distress, or this is when a company is going to, go through a certain risk or compliance issue. Long before that, predictive AI can give you very early detection as well through historical events, through correlation of historical similar events. And especially, and then when it comes to judgment as well, when it comes to making reports or judgment, at that time also it can search for, like I said, unconscious bias mitigation as well. It can really streamline the process of that research, can go through vast amounts of cases, similar cases in the past, and predict litigation outcomes as well. So it can really and there are tools in Pakistan as well. So one is ChatGPT, which you can train. You can give it vast amounts of PDFs and data, and you can train it according to just exactly what you do or what a certain compliance body is doing. But then there are also tools in Pakistan that are available as well. There's Vakil AI, there's Your Munshi, there's Spark Losses, there's so many other tools that are actually currently available that can really assist in these areas. Thank you.